Intro: the SENIX 2X2 40V Max Cordless Snow Blower STX2M1 is a powerful and portable battery-powered snow removal tool designed for homeowners in seasonal cleanup tasks, combining cordless convenience with strong snow clearing performance. Clearing performance. This model delivers a 21-inch wide clearing path and can handle up to 12 inches of snow depth, making it effective for driveways, sidewalks, and patios. It can throw snow up to 33 feet away, allowing you to move snow farther with fewer passes. Motor and capacity: powered by an 1800W brushless motor and supported by two 1000 mAh batteries, the snowblower provides consistent torque and efficient performance, removing snow quickly with a high clearing capacity. Auger and speed control: the variable speed steel auger lets you adjust between higher power for heavy snow or extended runtime for lighter conditions, helping balance performance with battery life. Battery system: this cordless machine includes two high-capacity batteries and a dual-port charger, which extend runtime and reduce the need for frequent charging during larger jobs. Visibility features: built-in LED lights, upper and lower, enhance visibility in low-light conditions, making early morning or evening snow clearing safer and more precise. Maneuverability: 7-inch all-terrain wheels provide smooth movement across snowy and uneven surfaces, improving handling and control while clearing. Other controls: the electronically adjustable chute rotates up to 180 degrees, giving you full control over snow direction, so discharged snow lands exactly where you want it. Overall, the SENIX 2X2 40V Max Cordless Snow Blower blends cordless freedom with powerful brushless performance, thoughtful controls, and practical features, making it a strong choice for efficient seasonal snow removal without fuel or cords.